Ever wondered how many types of fish are there in the Amazon River? The answer might astound you. The Amazon River, the world's largest river by volume and second longest in length, is home to a staggering variety of fish species. From the smallest tetras to the largest catfish, the diversity is simply mind-boggling. One of the most well-known fish from the Amazon River is the piranha. Despite their fearsome reputation, these fish are primarily scavengers, feeding on insects, worms, and the occasional piece of meat. There are around 30 different species of piranha in the Amazon, each varying in size, color, and diet. Then we have the arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. These colossal creatures can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh up to 440 pounds. Arapaimas are air-breathing fish, meaning they have to surface every 10 to 20 minutes for air. Next up are the catfish, which are incredibly diverse in the Amazon River. There are more than 2,000 species of catfish, ranging from small algae-eating species to the giant piranha catfish, which can grow up to 12 feet long. Electric eels, despite their name, are not actually eels but a type of knife fish. They are famous for their ability to generate electric shocks of up to 600 volts to stun prey and defend themselves. And of course, we cannot forget the discus fish. Known for their bright colors and unique shape, discus fish are a popular choice for aquarium enthusiasts worldwide. They come in a variety of color patterns, including blue, green, and red. To sum up, the Amazon River is a treasure trove of aquatic diversity, hosting an array of fish species from the menacing piranha to the colossal arapaima, the diverse catfish to the electrifying electric eel, and the vibrant discus fish. Each of these species plays a vital role in the ecosystem of the Amazon River, contributing to its richness and complexity. So, the next time you think about the Amazon, remember, it's not just a rainforest, it's also an underwater world teeming with life.